SolidWorks has 3 arc tools: Centerpoint Arc, Tangent Arc, and 3-point arc. To draw a centerpoint arc, access the sketching tools, define a plane. Click the Centerpoint Arc tool. Click a starting point, point 1. Move the cursor and define point 2. The distance between the starting point, point 1, and point 2 will define the radius of a circle. The circle will be used to define the arc. The radius of the arc will be equal to the radius of the circle. Move the cursor and define point 3. The angular distance between points 2 and 3 will define the angular length of the arc. Add dimensions as required. Now we are going to draw a tangent arc. The tangent arc is used to draw an arc between existing entities. We draw 2 lines. Click the Tangent Arc tool. Click a starting point, point 1. The end point of the slanted line was selected. Move the cursor and define point 2. In this example, select the end point of the horizontal line. Add dimensions as required. The radius of the arc is controlled by the radius dimensional value. The Tangent Arc tool is used to add a rounded end segment to the right end. Note that the radius value is half the distance between the 2 lines. Now draw a 3-point arc. Access the sketching tools, define a plane. Click the 3-point arc tool. Click a starting point, point 1. Move the cursor and define point 2. Move the cursor and define point 3. Add dimensions as required. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.